Use extensions to change the shape or appearance of elements. The appearance of your construction lines. The shape of your drill holes. Or the shape of your notches. The extensions decide which elements are cut or plotted on your devices. Each element type offers 8 extensions for a high flexibility.